Hey, homeowners! Are you thinking about selling your home, but don't want to deal with the hassle of endless showings, months on the market, or buyers backing out last minute? I've got great news for you. You can receive multiple cash offers for your home, and the best part is, it's super easy, quick, and there's no obligation. Imagine this. You could be just minutes away from seeing multiple cash offers for your home. No waiting weeks or months. No dealing with complicated buyers. Just simple, straightforward offers so you can make the best decision for yourself and your family. Here's how it works. All you need to do is comment cash below, and I'll send you a link directly. Once you have the link, just enter your address, answer a few easy questions about your home, and in an instant, you'll see cash offer options. That's it. And don't worry, this isn't one of those complicated processes. It's fast, it's free, and there's zero obligation. Whether you want to accept an offer or just explore your options, you're in control every step of the way. No pressure, no strings attached. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to see your cash offers or just want to explore your options, drop a cash in the comments right now. I'll DM you the link, and you'll be on your way to discovering what your home is really worth within minutes. It's that simple.